How to file 1095C on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Now the thing is, you do not have to enter a 1095C in TurboTax. You will answer the question in the health insurance section that you had health insurance all year and keep a copy of 1095C with your tax record. The insurance company will provide the IRS with the needed information. The health insurance entries on the federal return are if you received a 1095A for affordable health care via the marketplace, if you paid premiums out of pocket and are itemizing deductions, if you have an HSA, if you had premium deductions on your pay, then your W-2 entries will cover this. Items 1 to 3 are in the deductions and credits tab, and item 4 is in the income and expenses tab. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.